Banks are quietly experimenting with a crypto protocol behind closed doors, and it's not the one everyone's watching. While XRP fights regulators, this Solana-based project has partnered with Mastercard, onboarded hundreds of enterprises, and processed over $1 billion in payroll volume. They even acquired a compliance firm outright to meet global banking standards. Here's what traditional finance doesn't want you to know. The global payroll market moves roughly $11 trillion a year, but it still runs on batch systems from the 1970s. You work all month, your employer holds your pay for 2 weeks, earning interest off your money. Cross-border workers lose up to 8% to wire and FX fees. That's hundreds of billions in inefficiency, and banks profit from every day of delay. Why fix a system that makes them money? Meet Zebec Network, the project giving payroll a real-time overhaul. Instead of waiting for paydays, Zebec streams wages every second through smart contracts on Solana. You earn, and your balance grows in real time. Withdraw anytime. It uses USDC stablecoins, avoiding price volatility, and connects directly to debit cards or bank accounts. Funds stream per second via programmable escrow, updating balances continuously. Employers pre-fund deposits, smart contracts release micropayments as work accrues, and pause instantly if needed. Detailed, auditable logs trace every cent across the network, giving finance teams real-time visibility without batch delays. With 250-plus enterprise clients and over $1 billion in payroll volume, Zebec isn't a concept. It's running today. In March 2025, Zebec launched the Carbon Card in partnership with Mastercard, a crypto debit card that works with Apple Pay and Google Pay, carries zero fees, and supports multi-chain spending. Users can spend up to $10 KELA per day, with instant activation for US and European users. Mastercard doesn't lend its network to unproven projects. This signals scalability and compliance readiness. Carbon Card brings that stream to everyday spending. Virtual and physical cards spin up in minutes with Apple Pay and Google Pay from day one. There are no monthly or FX fees. Interchange covers costs. Set daily limits up to $10,000, freeze or unfreeze an app, and get instant notifications on every swipe. Funding comes from USDC balances or a linked bank account. At checkout, Zebec converts only the amount needed, settling on Mastercard's rails while your ledger updates in real time. KYC, KYB, and AML run through the Gatenox stack, with PCI-compliant tokenization and 3D secure to reduce fraud. Businesses can automate payroll to cards, set per diem streams, and handle vendor payouts, all with exportable receipts and accounting hooks. Support starts in the US and Europe, expanding as licenses land. It feels like a normal card, but the money moves continuously underneath. To prove it's serious about regulation, Zebec acquired Gatenox, a digital identity and compliance platform providing built-in KYC, KYB, and AML verification. The deal, reportedly a multi-million-dollar all-cash acquisition, gave Zebec native compliance infrastructure few crypto projects have. The roadmap includes preparing for FCA registration in the UK, achieving MiCA readiness for EU operations, completing SOC 2 audits for enterprise security, integrating AI-driven fraud detection and Zebec partners with names banks already trust. Circle, USDC infrastructure, Chainlink, Oracle services, Ondo Finance, tokenized assets, World Mobile, global connectivity in 70-plus countries. So why would banks test Zebec quietly? Because the benefits are too big to ignore. Traditional banking, batch transfers, 2 to 3 days, expensive infrastructure, limited cross-border reach, complex regulatory overhead. Zebec's approach, instant settlement, 24/7, smart contract automation, cuts costs, global reach via multi-chain rails, built-in compliance via Gatenox banks. See fintechs already using Zebec's rails for payroll. They know real-time settlement is coming, and they're preparing before competitors do. While others chase meme coins, Zebec is building infrastructure that institutions actually need. Real-time money movement backed by Mastercard and regulated partners, with compliance expansion in the UK and EU, and new enterprise clients joining monthly. This could be a major adoption catalyst. The $11 trillion payroll market is ripe for disruption, and Zebec is already streaming a slice of it. Drop your thoughts below. Could this become the first mainstream crypto payroll network? Hit subscribe for the next project banks are quietly testing.